First time making a strawberry cream cake. Now it starts off simple enough as a sponge cake. Once the cake is baked, then you got to cut through it, which is a little hairy. Easy part is stewing the strawberries with some sugar. Makes a little syrup here. So this is the cut cake. So I'm just brushing on that little strawberry flavor there. So that's good. We did this because we were having a heavy British meal, and my son suggested this cake as a softer ending, lighter ending, so to speak. So there's the whipped cream. This is easy. Whipped cream goes on very nicely over the strawberry sauce and the cake. No problem there. Now that the whipped cream is on, we're going to add the strawberry chunks. A little harder to make it exactly even, but you know what? It's okay. Don't be afraid to cook, and don't be afraid if things don't look perfect. So then I put on the other piece of the cake, more of the strawberry sauce, more of the whipped cream, yum. And then I kept a few strawberries out of the stew for decoration. And everybody liked it, and it cut really well.